What's up, guys? What's up, guys? It's Frankie DeMayo, and today we're doing another toy review. Today, me and Vinny hit our local Walmart to go get the brand new Godzilla vs. Kong action figures from Playmate. Vinny, aim the camera. There you go.
What about Kong? What about Kong? What about Kong? You got him.
I just got Kong at my local Walmart earlier with Vinny, and all I gotta say is this guy is pretty badass. If you can just look at him there real quick. It comes with a battle scar, which is pretty cool. With Godzilla vs. Kong? Fuck that! Look at that stupid bullshit! What? What is he made out of fucking cherries? Like I can make a fucking cherry pie out of it! That is fucking stupid! Let's crack this bad boy open! Vinny, can I have the knife? Vinny. Let me get the knife, bro. Let me get the fucking knife, bro. Camera off the cat, bro.
And I'm sitting there, and I'm just like, those little kids, okay? Because those little kids...
It seems today that all you see...
There's a lot of dirty jobs out there, and not a lot of people want to do them. My name is Frankie DeMayo, and this is... Alright, first prop. We got the battle axe here, and in case nobody knows, the battle axe is actually made out of Godzilla's fucking spine. See? You can see that is... It's clearly that. It's clearly that, which is pretty fucking badass. But yeah, this is his battle axe, and he's gonna be fighting Godzilla with this, okay? Let's get Kong out of here. Stupid fucking battle scars. Alright, we got Kong here. Okay, so Kong, obviously fucking looking fucking badass. Okay, so the arms, they move up and down like that, right? But then get this shit, right? Boom, right like that, right? The other one does the same thing. He's got fucking a scar across his chest. Who could that be from? Let's pop the fucking,
Piece of doo-doo.
the fucking piece of fucking It's probably the other way around, right?
It's not button it, alright? You come to my house and you put a little firecracker...
There we go. The battle scar I just put on him, and I mean, that's pretty fucking useless. It fits in there fucking perfect, so it's like, yeah, when I'm playing with my fucking toys, I don't know how the fuck that's gonna come out. Jurassic Park. What kind of trend did you fucking start? Now, we got the battle axe. But yeah, he's got the battle axe here. And he can fucking like do that shit. Like it genuinely looks like he's at
Oh, I think it is. I think
wow, look how many points of articulation he has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Feel the mighty strength of Kong as he enters the old legends collide as Godzilla and Kong. I'm gonna take this monkey here, and I think I'm gonna rate this monkey a, actually, first of all, let me ask my bro what he thinks. What do you think?
Adults. I would rate this toy about, a 9 out of 10. With the articulation and the paint job, it looks pretty cool, dudes. He's got an axe.
Who are you voting for in 2020?
I think I'm gonna vote for,
It starts with a T, right?
No, the
It
old...
starts with a T, right?
I'm gonna vote for
It
the old...
starts with a T, right?
I'm gonna vote for
It
the old...
starts with a T, right?
I'm gonna vote for the old
It
man.
starts with a T, right?
I'm voting for an old man. I'm not gonna be clear who I'm voting for,
It
but
starts with a T, right?
he's past the age of 40. I'm voting for an old man. Maybe white. Maybe an old white guy.
All right, listen. So I think I'm gonna rate this monkey about a solid like 8.5 out of 10. And I know I'm going a little lower than my my pig friend. I just think you get a brand like NECA, and I feel like they could do way better at something like this. I mean, just like, dude, look at what NECA can do. Hey Godzilla, who you voting for in 2020?